Hello, my name is Luke. I made a cocktail finder app that uses multiple APIs, as well as Node.js, EJS, Axios, and a few other ones. As you can see right here, this is the website that I built. Our first API is the cocktail, the one that is required, where it gives you random outputs of cocktails with pictures on it. They're all API integrated with the code. I also did the bonus features that use two other API integrations. The first one being the ingredients right here that shows that it's up to date. As you can see, it has all of the ingredients to make this cocktail, as well as that. That's also an API that we added. See, it'll show it on all of them. The other API that we added is the quote of the day that puts a quote at the very bottom of the screen. Always changes. That's also another API that we put. Some other things that we did were we used the ZendQuote API, which is this. It was a thing where we retrieved it from a different browser. That one was pretty easy. Other ones, here, let me just show you my code. Here's all of these. This is the server right here. As you see, we have Axios, the port. This is the cocktail one where we got that API. You can see it's fetching the API and it's putting it on our screen, rendering it right here, and obviously catching it as well. We also have the filter API, which is this one. That filters through it, shows all of the drinks and list categories, all of that as well. Here is our index.egs, where we just basically used again those APIs but formatted it so it looked nice. We used some JavaScript as well inside the EGS, which is really nice as well, just for coding. We had a header and a footer. Never really used the footer. It's just always nice to keep those in there for each time that you do your folder. Header, we just put all of our stuff that we needed to link. Styles, obviously, just to make it a little bit nicer again. But yeah, it was pretty easy for the most part. Some downsides were just making sure that the API was working correctly. I had to look up some things to make, because I had an error with the terminal. After I figured that out, it loaded pretty much instantly. Again, yeah, here's all of the stuff that we had to get, obviously body parts and all of that. Really nice as well. Didn't really have any problems with this. Another API that I do want to show is the different drinks. It searches up different drink items for you. That was another thing that we added, or I added. Shakes, all of that. The only downside is when you press the select category, it should take you back to the home. I haven't fixed that yet, but when you do that, it runs an error. But besides that, everything was pretty much good. Yeah, thank you.